Hey, welcome back, everybody. So one of the things I want to share is I've been seeing a lot of the Revit and AI demos, and most of them are one user connecting to one AI product on one workstation. And in reality, that's not how AI works in a practice. What we want to do is we want to deploy the software at scale using the infrastructure of your company, connecting the language, the chronicle state through the bounds of the tool. And when you build that layer of integration, AI cannot be stopped, and it's not a novelty product. It's something that you can deploy at scale. The idea is how do we deploy it at scale, right? The one thing that we're trying to do in my office is ensure that we don't really care about which AI product is available to be connected to Revit. What we want to do is be able to connect anything to Revit. So if Claude is the best product on the market right now, we use it. If Gemini is the best product on the market right now, we use it. If ChatGPT is the one who's benching the highest and being the best product, we use it. So the idea is they're interchangeable and swappable. So the first test is starting with a small group of international users that work on a specific part of the architecture and interior design, and the ability for them to manipulate, standardize, and then kind of gain access to the AI agent, and then give real feedback into how it's used. These are your power users. And this is a very, very good practice in order to deploy at scale, get real feedback, understand what the power users are using, and then reintegrate all that stuff into the documentation. The actual first thing that we're actually doing as a integration is we're trying to create a full set, right? So this means adding the views to the sheet, applying the view template, setting the crop for the view, naming the sheet correctly. And this is all with company standards. So this is your view template, your sheet naming convention, and then also the way you set up a full set. So this means for interior design, it would be general arrangement, partition plans, furniture layout, reflected ceiling, electrical, lighting, so on and so forth. So we always do the exact same thing. So it's just a system that we're doing it. So what we're trying to do is make sure that the AI product isn't just for one person who is on one workstation and was able to figure out how to configure the MCP. The real idea is that we want to have rules, governance, and be able to deploy it at scale, giving everybody the ability to, read the Revit model through the AI, being able to modify the Revit model through the AI, being able to clean the model using deleting through the AI. So this is really how we are deploying at scale. And I would love to hear what other people are doing. This is all brand new to everybody. And if you have something to say it in the comment. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe. Anyways, thank you once again for watching.